feel safer with a glove on. Okay, so the SC0 was a disaster, so I'm gonna remove the SC0 and I'm gonna remove the SC1 and I'm gonna put the SC1 onto Emrys for the Super Sport race. Let's go, let's go.
Okay. Want to put the timer on that?
Sure. Oh. Okay, excuse me.
You need to remove that warmer, no?
No, I'm gonna keep it
But
on.
I want to take a walk with you later, for sure.
She just needs a little stretch right now, and then I gotta start cleaning up my fridge.
Okay. It's a nice dress.
Thank you.
Alright, this one's off.
Okay. Clock is ticking, Marsa. Clock, clock, clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Seattle tool, they were great.
Yeah, this is the first time using this swivel stock, and I've had it for years but never used it. I always just
Oh, you see, you save some time.
it's got its benefits, yeah.
Yes. So, for people that think that it's hard to work on the BMW, see how fast it is to remove a wheel. It's pretty fast. Ta-da! Okay, next wheel. The other side. Did you unplug the tire warmer? Yeah.
I have to, yeah.
So the ideal is to not have the tire warmer on
Yeah, it makes it harder if the warmer.
to don't get them dirty.
Come on this side, you gotta see the chain. Go around.
Okay.
So anyway, the chain goes around my rear set, or my chain adjusters. Throw the chain on. And lift into my, watch out.
Yep.
Coming through.
Ta-da.
Yeah. Line up the,
Line up the other side.
just the chain.
You're out.
Spin it
Then
on.
time to wrench.
And then plug that in, of course.
Well, I can't film and plug that in.
Oh, that's fine. Check my chain.
Check the chain.
It's 36. 36.
So then you can torque the wheel.
Put my knee into it, push forward a little bit.
So guys,
Bam.
if you don't understand what just happened, you have to check your chain alignment. And
Double
you
check, yeah.
double check before you torque completely. Now put the tire back in. Tire warmer.
This guy back on the stand. And I'll keep it on the warmer just in case I need it. All of a sudden the sun goes freaking warm, like it doesn't screw with me.
Yep. What's the next step, Marissa? That's it?
Yeah.
This bike doesn't deserve a wheel?
No. Keep it.
No? We'll keep it that way. Okay.
big mistake with this visor, dude.
Oh, I know.
And all of a sudden the sun's gone, it's like right at nighttime. Holy shit, that was tough. I couldn't see.
Oh, Rebecca, can you zoom out with the lens? Turn it. Out. Yeah, with the maximum out. Okay. Okay, Marcel. Music off.
I made a big mistake with this visor.
You didn't see anything, did you?
Well, the sun just disappeared.
I know.
I kept it on because when I first looked, I'm like, that sun is so bright.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh, it's dark, but you know, I made the decision. And then all of a sudden, obviously, the sun then dropped in the race. And I literally, it's really, really bad.
I know.
Let's see.
You had some good battle with Ryan, I've seen.
I wonder if you can actually,
I don't know, I cannot really see through.
you can see it's just pure black.
Yeah.
It's 80% tint. I should have put the 50% tint in. Oh, yeah, I was like, I can't see. It's really tough.
But other than that, I mean, like tire-wise,
Yeah, but I wouldn't really slow that race, just being careful with the darkness and just, you know, doing 51s out there. And then that one guy got me on the last lap again, huh?
yeah.
On that really bright leathers like Ryan's, I watched it.
Yep. You know, I've seen.
So yeah.
Anything to say?
What are you on right now?
I'm be racing.
Oh, well, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. And today's been pretty tough, but there's no money to win, so today was all practice with used tires. We tested an SC0, it was too cold for that. SC1 seemed to work okay. How's that front tire look before you? It's cleaning up a little bit, yeah. I mean, because I was going a little slower too, probably. So hopefully the video footage is cool anyways with the sunset. You know, you might get a cool shot with the cameras on board. So,
Tomorrow has to be your day.
yeah. Yeah, for the form of the race, yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna need some rest, that's for sure.
Yeah, my knee's definitely sore. So, come back at it tomorrow and hopefully come and do a good job in our one race. Isn't even putting the tires on.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. So, yeah.
And just leave them unplugged, obviously. We can unplug everything. We can just leave that unplugged.
It would be, let's check it out.
That 250 race is going to take place when it's like dark. I want to see that.
So here we go. That's what I was looking for. Well, it doesn't look as bad.
Marcel, which one is the race for tomorrow?
Well, there's Open Super Sport, Formula Open.
Formula Open, race 9.
What better bike to get than either like a Grom or a Z125?
You missed some tricks. We'll ask her tomorrow to do some tricks. She'll do some different things. How? If we get some meat. She'll do meat. The chicken.
Every Saturday night at CVMA, there's always a dinner, a little party, so a good addition to any club. Together for some food and drinks. Everybody likes to have a good time. Anyways.
Just fucking take my bike and take everything.
You're on the green. how's her doing it?
Everybody knows him, you know?
Takes a while.
And like, I just felt a little out of
Jim.
because I'm like saying,
Marcel.
Yeah, he just said like he was watching like the Laguna Seca videos.
I don't know. It's
Hey!
see, what is he doing?
He's videotaping you.
Like, is it,
He's tracking your head.
weird.
All you have to do is
No problem taking we want it underneath. Hi, dude. Hi, dude. Good boy. Good boy. Get your leash. Get your leash. Get your leash. We go for a walk? Go for a walk? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
you watch this shit
gonna
on
happen
you anyways.
So much light in here.
If
Oh
they're
yeah.
one on their A game ahead of that, then they're
Little 300.
What's up, man?
Just cruising around, filming.
Right.
And getting some.
Hey, working over here. You ain't do that over there.
Yeah, don't be giving us away, dude.
We're good. We're good.
Did you guys kick in?
Yeah.
Okay, we're just making sure because you know it's good.
Oh,
It could be you guys the next time, and
for sure.
you know, I'll watch out.
This thing is pretty sweet with the lights.
And so we're just trying to raise money for a good cause, and
Absolutely.
makes us stand out. You know, if you want to, did you guys make it to the barbecue?
Not yet. We haven't
Oh,
gone over yet.
man,
That's
that's
Greg.
why I'm here.
Keep moving along.
Yeah. Were you in the meeting?
Oh.
We heard it's
Let me
going
get,
on a good
yeah.
cause.
Let me get my wallet. I got
You got it?
it. $20.
Look at all this lights. Oh, I see you got bar lights. Ah, you see so much in here. This bike looks familiar.
Is that the one that took you out? Just kidding.
No, never got taken out. No, you don't understand. I used to race this bike.
Yeah.
One of these. It looked better when I was racing it though. Now it looks all rashed up, Greg. Why is this thing not
I
focusing?
rashed it up and I kept the rashes on there.
Yeah, that's right.
Dude, sweet. Thank you guys, man. That's
What's up, Marcel?
It's like flashback time,
it's
huh?
all going to a good cause, and it could.
It's
You know,
still making
one
it-
day it could be you guys that fucking. Hey, man. I heard that. Sweet.